That grainy image right there has Jason Anderson and a Lawrence brother at odds again, this time with a different one, being Hunter and not Jet. Obviously, if you remember back to, I believe it was San Diego, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, we have this right here where there was some helmet grabbing going on after some, who knows, something that Jet didn't like. So there's a little push and shove, some fines dealt out, and just some stupid thing. It's kind of funny at this point, but obviously this new one comes from Salt Lake City. The finale obviously happened a couple days ago now, where this, not exactly the worst pass in the world. I mean, no T-bone, not super hard, but enough that Hunter apparently didn't like it, and I can see why. I think they were racing for fourth at the time, so it's, not the biggest deal in the world. Obviously, both these people are out of the championship fight. Didn't really matter much in the end. But Anderson did end up saying, quote, was trying to go 2 for 2 on helmet grabs last night, but on the real people/fans of our sport be hating so hard on my character based off the 20-minute dirt bike race. Could give you more insight on my life and more interviews to persuade you that I'm a good person, but fuck that. That ain't me. On the track, I try my hardest and I don't take shit from nobody. So if the sport needs a villain, then fuck it, I'll play that character. But for me, I leave the race with close ones, crush some beers, and get a little fried to celebrate a healthy season and successes we have had. Now, obviously, this crash right here, or takeout, whatever you want to say, isn't even the hardest for him. Like, this is not exactly the worst thing he's ever done. But this right here is the main problem that I see. This is Hunter Lawrence, I lap down, waiting for Anderson in a corner to try and push him off the track, take him out, whatever you want to say. Obviously, this happened a few years ago with Barsha and Bogle, where Barsha took Bogle out. Bogle waited a couple laps, saw him coming, and then, took him off track. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but Bogle got DQ'd for that. Just like that night, done. Whatever. Now, the bigger problem about this is, yes, it's the end of the season, so it's really not going to change that much anything. Like, they don't have any more races to go, whatever. But if Hunter Lawrence doesn't get any sort of penalty to this, any sort of DQ, place drop, whatever it is, you're gonna have to start looking at it and be like, is he just getting preferential treatment because he's a Lawrence, he's Hunter, or he's Jet's brother, and you already have precedence. If somebody waits on track a lap down to try and take out the person that took them out, whatever you want to call it, they've got to have consequences for this. You can't have this going on over and over again where somebody just gets mad and says, okay, well, I'll just wait until you come by me again and I'll just punch you off track. You can't have it happen. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. One, do you think Hunter deserves a DQ, penalty, a fine, whatever it is? Whatever you think he deserves, comment down below. Or, this is the end of the season, whatever, let it go, move on. But whatever your ideas are, thoughts are, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.